Bestie, this filter is going to be picking out our lip combo. Now, lip oil. Okay, it says sure. Okay. Indeed, okay. I'm liking this so far. Now, for the color. Brown. Okay, it says no, so we're going to do this. I thought this was black, but it's copper, so. Okay, now we got our lip combo. Now, first, put a little bit right there so y'all can see my lip oil on the first coat. We got my lip oil from Shein, as y'all can tell. Now, I like to put here a bit more colors. So what I like to do is I just put some on my lips right there, on your hand, and just blend it out. And that's what I'll do sometimes. Now look at it. Like now see the color is coloring. And put a little bit right there. This is the finished product. How are y'all liking this lip combo? I give it it's like a glossy and like glitter brown. It's like a glossy brown. I give this lip combo 8.5. I like to use a lip gloss, but the filter said no. A lip gloss to get your lips right. But besties, comment down below how y'all feeling this lip combo, and until next time, bestie,